what's up guys? This is Reckless Rods. I'm new to YouTube. I'm going to try to create some awesome content for you guys to enjoy of me and my brothers and some of my close friends. And this is my personal rig here. I got my other two over here. We're going to take this one out today and do a couple of photos, a couple videos, have some fun, and I'm going to maybe go get a little sticker for the window from my uncle and go and check out some of my brother's cars today. So let's get this unbuttoned here. My little ghetto canopy here. It's a nice one. Let's fire this beast up. Gonna head over to my grandpa's house and I'll show you around his yard over there. And I got my partner and the kid with me for a ride along, and gonna have some fun. All right, ready to go.
Okay.
My brother's. I wanted to show you a couple of his projects. Check it out. Got the dually, Chevy dually, 454 big block he's putting together. It's got the fuel injection, hasn't even unwrapped it yet. Still working on it. It's got a 57 Chevy over here. He wants to make this his race car. Put a big block in it. I think he's gonna make this one a gasser. It's got the fat Krager wheels on it. And then he's got a 68 Skylark Buick. I think he's gonna make this a cruiser car, I think is what he said. And he's got that fiberglass scoop I sold him. I got a small block in it. All sorts of cool wheels. That's the old air compressor from our old job. We used to work at a service station. Got all of his cool tools, all the cool race parts, another small block here. This is my small block there, that 400. Put it in one of my cars. Eventually. He's got the nice polished wheels he put on his dually here. He just got some of these new wheels from his friend, the American Racing, the old style. And then check this one out. This is my favorite motor he's got. This one's sweet. It's got the hopped up small block with the tunnel ram, dual fours. Super cool. Some more of his cars he's got out here. He's got a Henry J he just bought. This one's a Doom buggy. I'll show you guys photos of that one. Which one is this? Oh, this is his other 57 Chevy. This is the Bel Air. I'll post some videos. Check out his Kenworth. I think you guys seen this one on my other video. Awesome truck. And then he's got his wife's 49 Ford two-door back here. Cool project car. See, he's got all sorts of parts out here. Little go-kart there.